Mirar la luna, la 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 la.
Hello and welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, another crypto review. But before that guys, please subscribe to my channel. This is not a financial advice, so always do your own research because this is for entertainment only. Crypto has a risk, so always do your own research and be responsible on your funds. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so another meme coin. So this is Bonk, more than ordinary. Bonk Rewards, reward site for those who lack their Bonk. Bonk Mark, onboarding your loved ones easily on-chain with Bonk's version of e-cards. So they have already an e-cards. Bonk Scooper, transfer wallet tokens into a Bonk and closing unused accounts. So Bonk Live, created token launchpad, and Bonk Bets, sports betting website, most trusted gaming platform. So that's the creep project of this meme coin guys. So Moonwalk, a Moonwalk turns daily steps into a challenge. Hit your goal to keep your deposit. Exchange Art is a created NFT marketplace for artists and collections. Bonk Art Master features our icon Bonk's Shiba Inu through the eyes of talented artists on chain. So Let's Bonk is a community-run launchpad for meme tokens and bodies for posts leverage the Bonk community to fund meaningful charitable projects. So Bonk has a DeFi exchange, dev tools, art, sport, and games. So you name it guys. So this is the Bonk Swap available. You can just connect your wallet right here. Either MetaMask, Solana, or any wallet you can choose guys. So this is the Bonk Swap or Bonk's IO guys. You can buy Bonk here using USDC, USDT, Sol, Ray, or Bonk Sol guys. But if I were you, I will use this USDC guys. So every one USDC. So let's check it. Okay, so 1 or 10 Bonk is 0.0032, or every 1 Bonk is 0.000024 right now guys. So that's the current price of the Bonks. So got a question, so ask Bonkai. Okay, so collab events, these are their Twitter. Okay. No? Ay mag-load. Okay guys, so right now they have 45 or 455k followers guys. Okay. So the dog is excited to welcome Sharp Technology, Nasdaq into the Bonk ecosystem, initially with our liquid staking partnership, which continues the journey of Bonk into new realms with new partners. So they have a new partners guys. SSTCSS is the new partner of this Bonk meme coin. So integration, dev resources, building for the Bonk ecosystem has always been about the community. Contacts also available, exchange. They are available on Coinbase, Revolt, Upbit, Bitsmap. Every exchange guys, MAXC, P2B, Hotcoin, XT.com, Coinan, Blockchain.com, Bitmart, Tutbit, and CoinsBit. So devs and tools, QuickNode, Cloudflare, all domains, Flipside, Squad, and Bonkmart. Arts and sports game. They are supported by EA, Paris Musketeers, and Carrot Combat, BAM, Moonwalk, and Fitness. So I think this meme coin guys is doing great, but right now they're on the dip side. Okay, so 85% it is bullish and 15% it is bearish guys, according to the coin market. So I think that's all about this meme coin. So again, bye bye.